Steam gift cards are a convenient way to add funds to a Steam wallet or send as a gift to someone who enjoys gaming. This tutorial walks through the process of finding, purchasing, and redeeming a Steam gift card on Amazon. Steps to purchase a Steam gift card. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account using your registered email or mobile number and password. Once logged in, go to the search bar and type Steam gift card. You will see multiple options in the results, including different denominations, such as 500, 1,000, or more. Select the gift card that suits your budget. Check that the product is sold by a trusted seller or directly by Amazon to avoid potential issues. Also, confirm whether the card is a digital code or a physical card. Digital gift cards are delivered instantly to your email, while physical cards are shipped to your address. After selecting the product, click Buy Now or add it to your cart and proceed to check out. Enter your payment details and confirm the purchase, receiving and redeeming the code. If you chose a digital gift card, you will receive the code via email or in your Amazon account under your orders. For physical cards, track the delivery like any other Amazon product. Once you receive the code, open the Steam app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the Redeem a Steam gift card option. Enter the code and the balance will be added to your Steam wallet instantly. Conclusion: buying a Steam gift card on Amazon involves searching for the card, selecting the desired denomination, confirming it is from a trusted seller, completing payment, and receiving the code either digitally or by mail. The code is then redeemed on Steam to add funds to the wallet. The process is straightforward and beginner-friendly.